Solace melodies like a soothing embrace. Keys of a piano transport me to grace. I close my eyes, I'm in my own space. Dreamy vibes fill the air. Soft notes floating without a care. A gentle breeze. A melody rare and lost in this calm oasis. Aware, the atmosphere serene and serene. Every note like whispered poetry keen. A comforting melody like a lullaby serene. I'm captivated in this lo-fi scene. Laid back rhythms flowing like a stream. Piano keys caress, creating a dream. Melodies so soothing, they heal the soul. Every note whispers, making me whole. Layers of warmth, like a cozy embrace. Soft vocal whispers, filling the space. A comforting melody, guiding the way. In this chill atmosphere, worries fade away. Feel the calm as the music plays in this peaceful haze. Let your worries sway, serenade your heart in this melodic conclusion. Let the lo-fi vibes be your blissful infusion. Soft piano keys, setting the mood, a peaceful serenade, a sweet solitude. Melodies floating like dreams in the air. Through the cafe and lounge, we find our solace there. Feeling the rhythm, the gentle embrace. As the music fills the space, we find our grace. In the soothing melody, we find our release, a comforting refuge, a moment of peace. Drifting away, carried by the sound, each note like a feather, gently floating down. With every chord, emotions softly stir. In this calm atmosphere, we can find our inner. Late at night, the city lights are fading away. Sipping on my coffee as I watch the world sway. A melody of The piano softly fills the air, taking me on a journey where I haven't a care. In this moment, I find solace in the ambiance, embracing the comforting melody.